بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Narrated said bin Jubair. Ibn Abbas in the explanation of the statement of Allah, move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith, 75.16 said, Allah's messenger used to bear the revelation with great trouble and used to move his lips quickly with the inspiration. Ibn Abbas moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips in front of you as Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, used to move his. Said moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips as I saw Ibn Abbas moving his. Ibn Abbas added, So Allah revealed, move not your tongue concerning the Quran to make haste therewith. It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, the ability to recite it. The Quran 75.16 to 17, which means that Allah will make him the prophet. Remember the portion of the Quran which was revealed at that time by heart and recite it. The statement of Allah, and when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad, through Gabriel, then you follow its Quran recital. 75.18 means, listen to it and be silent. Then it is for us Allah to make it clear to you. 75.19 means, then it is for Allah to make you recite it and its meaning will be clear by itself through your tongue. Afterwards, Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, used to listen to Gabriel whenever he came, and after his departure he used to recite it as Gabriel had recited it.